Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge them, update software, and sign into the same Apple ID so content syncs. Once done, open settings on the iPhone, turn on Bluetooth, and put the iPod in discoverable or pairing mode. Make sure Wi-Fi is active if you plan to sync via iCloud or Finder. These first steps let the devices see each other and ensure music libraries and playlists can transfer without conflicts. Now move to pairing and transfer. Once pairing is possible, go to the iPhone's Bluetooth menu, tap the iPod name, and confirm the pairing code. You should hear a confirmation tone. Next, decide how to move music. Use iCloud Music Library for seamless syncing, or connect the iPhone to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to transfer files to the iPod manually. Make sure sync settings match, selected playlists, artists, or entire library, and then start the sync. Progress bars will show completion status. After syncing, confirm songs play on the iPod and metadata like album and artwork are correct. If not, resync or rebuild the library. If devices won't pair, sign out and back into Apple ID on both devices or deauthorize and reauthorize your computer. Sometimes resetting network settings on the iPhone clears stubborn Bluetooth issues. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. If problems persist, restore backups and retry. This recovers your data while giving you a clean slate to repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.